In this short training, I'm going to be talking about how to manage your coupons. So under coupons, you'll see list coupons. And in the recent video, I showed you how to actually add the coupons. So this is where you'll see all your added coupons. You'll see the name of the coupon code, the coupon when it expires, the coupon type, the coupon amount, the coupon status. And when it's active, you'll see a you'll see a green check. When it is inactive, you'll see a red minus. And here you can begin to edit it and also delete it. Now, let's say you wanted to edit this, and you wanted to maybe change the date and possibly make it, extend it maybe to 2 weeks or so. You could do that. You can select if you still want it to be percentage or a fixed amount, and you can actually change it to maybe another course that you have inside of the system. So you hit save, and it is saved successfully. You can go back to coupons, see the coupon list, and then you'll see it here. And this is the code that you would give your potential clients to put into the website while they're about to make the purchase. All right, it's that simple. I'll see you on the next module.